Today we're headed out to Rifle Gap State Park. This is a beautiful reservoir just north of the town of Rifle. You drive through the gap in the Grand Hogback and up over the dam. As we cross the dam here, you'll be able to see the reservoir off to the left. This is where we're headed. They have 5 campgrounds with 89 camping spaces between all of these. It's a great place for picnicking, swimming, fishing, camping. And as you enter, you'll see the map of the park and you can decide where to go. So first we're headed up to check out a camp spot. Hey, so we're out here today at Rifle Gap Reservoir, just north of Rifle, northeast of Rifle. And we're at the campground here. This is a camp spot number 61. It backs right up to the reservoir so you can walk down and fish or splash right here in the reservoir. There's also day use areas here, and we have camped right in this spot and come down and walked and splashed at night. We're gonna head on around the reservoir now. So this is up here is where we stayed, you guys, before last time. It was so full that weekend we stayed right here at this pull through. This is the one we stayed at. And then we just walked across the campground and down to the water that time, you guys. A nice little campground. You did? Yeah. All right, so let's go find the swim beach, you guys. Whoa. Who's ready to go swimming?
Me!
Alright, you ready to go swimming? You got it, sister? Yeah? You got it? For everybody who wonders how I do it all with all these kids, I just make them do it. You didn't sunblock? After a day of splashing and swimming in the reservoir, we'll head over to the Sage Campground and take a look here. The entrance is marked with a sign, and it's actually quite empty, but a beautiful location overlooking the lake. Most of the campsites actually have a beautiful view of the lake. Like this one, we can see over the lake from our site. This is our crew having a great time RV camping, and of course, no camping trip would be complete without marshmallows. So if you want to learn more about camping near Rifle or camping at this state park, just check out the notes.